Yeah, it's like a musician from Jamaica play that music, you know. And like a musician from, you might find a black musician from America play the funk or blues, you know. And people only play reggae music.
Can it be copied quite successfully outside of Jamaica?
Well, you see, where I feel about the music, it can be copied, you know, but it's not copied to it. It's the feel.
Welcome to Jamaica Worldwide, and today we talk about one of the most recognizable figures, not only in reggae, but in the world. We also talk about one of the songs and albums that changed Jamaican music forever. Bob Marley is the most notable artist and maybe person from Jamaica, and in fact, the greatest reggae artist so far.
You have a lot of possessions, a lot of money in the bank.
Position make you rich? I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life, forever.
Without a doubt, he has made remarkable strides in the world, not only in reggae music, but on a whole putting Jamaica on the map. He is synonymous with Jamaica, and people all around the world identify with his struggle before he eventually became one of the most recognizable human beings ever. The song One Love is known to be his most popular, but there was a big issue with this song which we will get into in this video. Of course, if you are not yet subscribed to Jamaica Worldwide, we ask that you hit the subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell to get videos as soon as they are released. We also want to invite you to go see the Bob Marley One Love movie. Put a yes in the comments if you've already seen it, and feel free to drop your favorite Bob Marley song in the comments. Robert Nesta Marley was born of humble beginnings in 9 Miles, St. Anne. He moved very early to Trenchtown, where his love of music was nurtured, and evolved into the formation of the group the Wailers, with Neville Livingston, also known as Bunny Wailer, and Winston McIntosh, more popularly known as Peter Tosh. Bob Marley made his name with the critically acclaimed band the Wailers, until eventually he went solo in 1974. The group was discovered by Sir Coxsone Dodd, who was the first to record them, and went on to produce and release their first album, The Wailing Wailers. This was for the most part a ska album, ska being the popular music playing in the dance halls at the time. It was on this album that the song One Love was originally recorded and released. The group emerged as a talent that was not to be denied. The group gained favor with their hit song Simmer Down, which was an overnight hit across Jamaica and gave Bob, Bunny and Peter the recognition they were long awaiting. The album was also groundbreaking with its content and played an essential role in changing the musical agenda in Jamaica from imitating foreign artists to capturing the lives and spirit of the Jamaican culture. The song One Love was also a favorite on the album and went on to become the most popular song from Bob Marley and the Wailers. As with the other songs on the album, this version of One Love was a ska version. What many may not know is that there are actually 3 iterations in which the lyrics to One Love were released. The song can actually be found under 2 different names and belong to 2 different genres. Of course, the first version was the ska version produced by Studio One, but the song was also further included in a medley of songs by the Wailers called All in One. This version was a seamless delivery of some of their popular songs on one ska beat, seemingly to influence extended play of the Wailers' music. The song was well received in both forms, further propelled by the hit song from the album, Simmer Down. The greater success of the song One Love was made possible by Chris Blackwell's Island Records. The song, which was named the Anthem of the Millennium by the BBC, would have yielded much less benefit to the reggae artist if not for the actions of the company. You see, at the time One Love was originally recorded, there were no copyright laws governing Jamaican music as it was in its very early stages. Lyrics were often used from R&B songs from the United States and the UK. It was popular practice to have reggae vocalists sing tunes over the deep, bass-heavy sounds of reggae instrumentals. But this would make the song's financial success mainly dependent on record sales. As for Bob Marley's One Love, a small section of the original song contained lyrics from the song People Get Ready, written by Curtis Mayfield on the Impressions' People Get Ready album. People Get Ready was a famous and commercially successful single that had a significant impact on the civil rights movement in the United States. Of course, with One Love being one of the biggest songs ever, there would obviously be disputes about authorship due to these few lines. The more famous version of One Love that appears on the Exodus album was recorded in 1977 for Island Records. Island Records gave the version of the song the title One Love/People Get Ready, giving some of the writing credits to Curtis Mayfield, who wrote People Get Ready. This was done to avoid any copyright problems and gives co-authorship credits to both Marley and Mayfield as the main artists. Bob Marley and his group were credited as Bob Marley and the Wailers. It was not released as a single until the 16th of April 1984 to promote the forthcoming Greatest Hits album Legend. On the album, you will notice the title of the song being One Love, People Get Ready, as opposed to the general misconception that this version of the song is simply titled One Love. The version One Love, People Get Ready became one of the biggest hits and biggest sellers and has been included on many of Marley and the Wailers' subsequent compilation albums. In 2007, the 1965 original recording of One Love by Bob Marley and the Wailers on Coxsone Records was inducted into the Grammy Hall of Fame. Please don't forget to like and share the video. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to Jamaica Worldwide, please do so by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to ensure that you get videos as soon as they are released. This is Jamaica Worldwide. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to check out some more of our videos right here.